My name is Eric Garentz, and this is my Module 4 for AEP855. As far as relationships for our school, we have something called dog packs, where we have kids K through 6 go to each of the classrooms and you have your own pack. For the year, we meet once a month and talk about things like integrity, hard work, and perseverance. It's a way for us to get to know a lot of the kids within grades that we don't exactly teach or work with each day. We also have before school and after school clubs for sports and other subjects, and we provide tutoring for the kids who need a little extra help. And then teachers lead by example by being positive and working well with each other. Relevance, we have independent projects. The kids get to pick something they enjoy and want to learn about and create something based on the information they've attained. We do STEM, like most schools, and then we use a lot of technology, especially with our iPads. We are a one-to-one school. Our culture, we have a leadership team made up of 8 teachers who make important decisions about fundraising, testing, other things that we need to figure out. Our district slogan is #OneTeam. So we have people that go around within the district and help other schools. Could be guest speakers or motivational guests, something like that. And then as far as nutrition, we provide snacks for clubs. And at the high school level, we even provide meals in between school and a late night practice for the younger kids. Rigor, we have a career class that makes kids focus on what they want to do after school, after high school or college, whatever they think they're going to do. They focus on certain careers, study them, see how their talents could translate into the real world. We're using iPads with that. And then we have resources from fellow teachers that share ideas and how to work things correctly within the classroom. As far as results, we look at the data a lot. We group for math and reading based on ability, and then we give weekly and monthly testing. So we're all about the results and looking and breaking those down, which is ironic since we always like to pretend we don't really care about testing, but 95% of meetings are talking about test scores. Our leader style at our school, she prefers to delegate a lot of the work. She depends on that leadership team that I previously talked about, and then she allows teachers to use their own personal style. There's not a script or a set way. There's just certain standards we need to make sure we hit, and we can do that in our own way. What would I do? I would create a positive culture for teachers and students, make a building that everyone wants to show up to, everyone's excited, bring lots of energy and enthusiasm, make school as fun as possible. We realize it's going to be boring at times, but we can definitely get the energy and enthusiasm at a high levels. And then keep the students first and support all teachers. I think sometimes we think we're keeping the students first when we let them get away with things instead of teach personal responsibility. So keeping the students first means teaching them how the real world works and to take personal responsibility and pride in doing a great job each day. And then definitely be supportive of all teachers because we know how underappreciated we are and how hard we work each day.